got my team of Messi and KDB with all the creativity in the world, filling up those.
But
No,
we did have Lewandowski first, and then we remember we
a joke thing is. A joke.
Wagwan sports fans, welcome back to another very special episode. I'm your host Jamaican.
I'm Rush.
And this is This or That Sports TV, the place you guys come to get the best, most interesting and riveting sports topics, discussions and debates on the internet.
Yes people, but before we get into this video, entertaining video.
Bad video.
Don't forget to like the video.
Yeah.
Leave a comment under this one and subscribe to This or That Sports TV, my people. It's World Cup time again. World Cup is days away, bro. I don't know if we jump on another World Cup video.
Yeah, Bridget, but you forget one thing.
Don't forget.
Share the video.
Oh, that's true.
To at least 10 people.
Yeah.
But ensure to get us 6 subscribers, because if you guys can manage to do that, do you know how many subscribers that get us by the end of the day?
Yeah. Hi. Ready? World Cup 2022.
You're so excited about the video, y'all forget about the intro, bro.
Nah, tell it. What do you think about the World Cup song?
You know, I heard it for the first time just a while ago, and it have a buzz.
Flip, bro.
Yeah, I'm think it have a grow up away.
Yeah.
I think it have a grow up away.
Especially when the World Cup start.
Yeah,
you can see me, I like the song.
For sure.
Yeah,
and that video has always been one of my artists.
Yeah.
So, it bad.
Nice and good vibes. Anyways, people, we're here to present to you our best 11 of the World Cup. But there's a spin on this video.
Yeah. We
can only select one player.
Yeah.
From a team, from any given team.
Yeah, we'd probably do our best 11 in another video. Yeah. But this is a challenge video.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do a fun World Cup challenge video. And the premise of this challenge basically is, obviously we know that there are 32 teams in the World Cup. And you know that some teams will possess better talent than others.
Mm-hmm.
What the challenge for us to do today is to provide our starting 11, but only allowing one player per country.
Yeah. So, you ready for do it?
Yeah.
Who wants to start? Rock, paper, scissors, Steve on it?
Let's go.
Alright. Ready?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, shoot.
So we'll go to work, bro. Here, I'm starting the bridging.
So we have a position by position?
Position by position.
Alright.
Position by position.
So I opted to go with a 4-3-3.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So my goalkeeper, first and foremost, from the country of Belgium, Thibaut Courtois.
What? You go Thibaut Courtois for Belgian player, bro?
Yeah.
That's crazy to me. Anyways, people, my goalkeeper that's starting in goal for my team is Alisson Becker from Brazil.
So you use Brazil for your...
Yeah, we use the Brazil keeper. We use the keeper from Brazil. Where you gonna?
I mean, there's so many good Brazilian players.
Come on.
But okay.
Don't worry about my team.
My right back
is,
and I think the best Portuguese player right now, João Cancelo.
Alright.
Definitely the best Portuguese player.
I also have Cancelo as my right back.
Cancelo as a right back.
In fact, no. I play Cancelo as my left back.
Okay.
So, my left back, one of my wing backs, João Cancelo.
Alright.
So we both have Cancelo.
Alright, so I have Belgium and Portugal, you have Brazil and Portugal.
Yeah.
My Senegalese player is Koulibaly.
Oh, so you're going Koulibaly as a defender, as a centre back?
Yeah, that's my Senegalese
player. Alright, my first centre back is Virgil van Dijk.
So that's a Dutch player.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, my Dutch player is also Virgil van Dijk.
Alright, my other centre back is Laporte.
Oh,
so I'm going Laporte from Spain.
So he's Spain.
That's my Spanish player.
Alright.
Laporte! People, our backline looks so far. Our backline look like you can walk some man backline, so go on still.
Alright, so my left back, my Canadian player, Alphonso Davies.
I hear you, boy. You know, there was a toss-up between Fancy and this player for me.
Alright.
But for my left back, I'm going Hakimi from Morocco.
Hakimi from Morocco?
Yeah, I'm going Hakimi.
I'm not sure. Hakimi.
Me, I pick Hakimi.
Yeah, but so you have Cancelo at left back and Hakimi at right back and...
My backline and walk your backline.
First of all, no.
Yes.
No way in hell.
Me I tell you.
But Hakimi is a right back.
No, me have Cancelo as left back.
Hakimi as a right back.
Yeah.
How your backline gonna walk my backline?
But look on the players I have, bro.
I think Koulibaly is better than Laporte. We both have Van Dijk. I have Alphonso Davies, who is a better wing back than Hakimi. And we both have Cancelo. So what are we talking about?
I am picking Hakimi over Fancy, bro. For sure. Because defensively, Yeah, fancy fast and fancy probably offer more going forward. But defensively, I have to pick Hakimi.
Alphonso Davies is one of the best recovery in the whole entire.
No, I hear you from speed and
then we have Koulibaly and Virgil van Dijk at the back line. So why wouldn't I want Alphonso Davies' creativity and cunning going forward? In addition to João Cancelo,
I like Laporte.
João Cancelo is the best wing back in the world.
Hear me, I say people. I like Laporte and Virgil van Dijk over Koulibaly and Virgil van Dijk.
There's no way.
That's just what I think. That's just what I think.
I don't think it's close.
Well, let's go.
Laporte literally had to switch nationality because he couldn't make the France team.
Laporte would make France team right now.
Could make France team right now.
Yeah, idiot.
Who not gonna make France team over MBAPPE or Jules Koundé? Who? Him not starting for France.
Over Saliba.
Him not making it over Saliba right now, bro.
Anyway,
Saliba's a better defender, and that's the
Saliba better than Laporte.
Of course, and that's the reason why Laporte played for Spain.
Brother,
because him see it in the future.
Well, if you think him see it, him wrong. Him wrong, bro. Laporte would have made
France team. He wouldn't start.
Well, even if he wouldn't start, he would have made the team. Do you think Koulibaly would have started over him?
Of course, Koulibaly would have. Koulibaly better than Laporte.
2 years ago. Koulibaly no better than Laporte.
Koulibaly is literally better than Laporte.
Well, alright, fine.
So you must say
Koulibaly are walking a City team. I start over Laporte in a City team. You're first in all your head. Come on. Because I'm madness in there talk, man.
Yeah, as I say.
Koulibaly is better. Come here, use 4-3-3 too.
Alright. My Spanish pick is my central defensive midfielder.
Who that?
And I use Rodrigo.
Oh, Rodrigo.
Yeah.
Me have a Kimmich. Joshua Kimmich of Germany. That's my German selection.
That's your German pick.
Yeah.
My German pick is Joshua Kimmich.
You know, so you have nah, bro. You got too defensive, my guy.
No, but Kimmich can play 8 too.
Alright,
Kimmich is super versatile.
Here me I go though. Me I tell Kimmich sit. Kimmich is sitting on the CDM, bro. And then me I got 2 attacking midfielders. You want me to attacking midfielder? First one a KDB.
So a Belgian pick.
Yeah,
obviously you know who's my attacking midfielder. The world know, everybody know my Argentinian pick is going to be my attacking midfielder.
And my other 10, come here, I use 2 attacking midfielders, bro, and Kimmich just a sit, I'm sure I'm a back line, I'm sure of them. Lionel Messi, KDB, and Kimmich on the midfield. I don't think I can beat the midfielder.
I think I literally beat the midfield because I have Joshua Kimmich, who is...
You're too defensive,
Joshua Kimmich is not as good going forward as KD, but he's outstanding going forward, and he's way better defensively. Joshua Kimmich is the perfect 8. You don't have an 8. You have one hole in
I don't need an 8.
I have an 8, exactly.
I don't need an 8.
So you have a 6, an 8, and a 10.
But who tells me I play the 8? Who tells me I need a box? I don't need a box.
Yeah, but you're going to be susceptible in the midfield as compared to me. I have my 6 covered with Rodri. One of the best in the world, if not the best. Then I have Kimmich is not necessarily an 8, but Kimmich is very versatile and can more than play the 8. In fact, if Kimmich was an 8, he would have been one of the best 8s in the world.
No.
Because Kimmich is so good going forward.
Disagree with that.
Kimmich is good on top of the box. Kimmich is an outstanding passer. If Kimmich was playing the 8, he would have been in the class of the cruises of the 8. No, he would have been in that class. But he's an amazing passer. He can kick the ball and score goals from outside the box, which we've seen. Even the Bayern Munich and Germany, he gets forward and he plays higher. He plays like an 8 from time to time. He would be one of the best 8s in the world.
Disagree, but continue. Easily. Disagree, but continue.
It's not to disagree.
What do you mean? Could be one of the best 8s. But
why couldn't be one of the best 8s?
Because you have better... Yeah, players. He's not in the class of Cruz, bro.
He's just in the class of Cruz.
I'm disagree. That's
because Kimmich is a better player. Can I agree that Kimmich is a better player than Cruz?
He's a better player, but he's a CDM, bro.
He's a CDM.
As an 8, he's not a better player.
How does he play?
He's not in the class.
Is he the type of 6 as a Busquets or as a Rodri?
No, he's not just a breakup man. But he's a breakup man that can pass the ball. He can pass the ball well. His range of passes is very good.
And plays on top of the box from time to time and scores goals.
Kimmich is not a creative midfielder.
Kimmich is very creative.
He's not a creative midfielder.
He's not a creative because that's not the role.
Bro, the video is not Joshua Kimmich versus Cruz. I disagree.
Yeah, but you're madness.
Okay,
I'm not saying you would have been a better 8.
Anyways, people, it make him case for him team. All me I say is, man, no need for have 2 defensive-minded midfielders in my team. I feel like if me have Kimmich, or me can say sit and Kimmich is a rock in our midfield if you see him, and then I secure my back line. You see me I say? I think I can play 2 attacking midfielders.
I feel like my security, with Kimmich and Rodri, would be able to mark over.
Me never pick bench players, but the thing is, if you look at how City play, you see me another style of play them have. But them just have Rodri sit, and then them have Bernardo and KDB who are 2 attacking midfielders, and then them can have the option of him Gundogan who's an 8. Sometimes them play with 2 attacking midfielders, sometimes them play with a CM who's Gundogan. I just play with 2 attacking midfielders.
Yeah, but the thing about me having an 8 and a 6 and a very solid backline is that I can have people to mark KDB and Messi. You don't have anybody to mark Messi.
But what will you do when I have the ball and I have KDB and I have Messi? That's something to think about.
That's why we have good Gundogan and Roger for them?
Not Gundogan.
Not Gundogan, sorry. Kimmich, you use the Gundogan.
This man,
that's why I'm have Kimmich and
I
Roger
don't know things on the ball you can. You two, I think them can deal with it. And I would be, is an easier threat to deal with. Your threat is easier to deal with than my threat. That's just what I'm saying. So I don't need the steal what you need. Because I have Messi and KDB. You need Kimmich and your other see. Wait, Roger, you need the two of them to deal with me. I don't, because you have just Messi. Ready? People, I think my midfield better. May I give him the defense? Honestly, I just not proper video the defense. May I give him the defense? But I honestly think my midfield is better.
Anyways,
three attackers.
I'm using my French Kylian Mbappe as my left winger.
Kylian Mbappe is mine also.
And I'm using Robert Lewandowski as my forward.
Alright.
And Neymar.
Alright, I am using Kylian Mbappe. I'm using Harry Kane as my number 9.
No, that was
Brother, you make your pick already. No, come I drop my team.
I remember.
I drop my team. People, I'm not making my drop my team.
Harry Kane.
No,
we did have Lewandowski first, and then remember
I joke things. People, I joke things.
Harry Kane. I've always been a champion.
Listen, I joke things. I joke things.
Mbappe, Harry Kane, and Neymar. Yeah. That's the only reason I never pick Trent. I never pick Trent because I'm the one Harry Kane. No team, I just remember.
The man thief my pick, bro.
I don't say thief a pick.
The man thief
my pick. I have my team before years.
Listen to me now, people. The man says me I'm gonna kill him off with my front line. And the man I say, no, I need Harry Kane.
No,
I say, whatever.
Mbappe, Harry Kane.
People hear him say.
Mbappe, Harry Kane, and Neymar.
Yeah, and first him say Lewandowski and Neymar. But it's
because I had Lewandowski first and then was switch out for Harry Kane. That's the whole reason.
It's cool, man. It's cool, bro. I'm just gonna tell him say I hear him with the Kane, but I say
no.
I say here me have now. You have Neymar, me have Sadio Mane. Alright, now Sadio Mane is a wickeder check than Neymar right now on the wing. If I play Neymar, I'm half a day in a top link right now.
Yeah, I would play Neymar as a half forward.
Yeah, well, fine. Is it people who
and then Kylian Mbappe because of his ability to go wide on inside. So it kind of be like a box, like a 4-4-2 box with Messi and Neymar up top with two forwards, or we can send Messi to the right wing and send Mbappe to the left wing. Use Neymar as top link, or use Neymar upon the right wing, or anything more.
Yeah,
that's the versatility.
People.
Mane is not as versatile as Neymar.
It's not. I don't need versatility, bro. When you look at my team, I have Messi and KDB with all the creativity in the world, filling up those. I need.
And the thing about it is,
fast players to kill.
You have Messi and Neymar with all the creativity in the world. Can you imagine?
Yeah, fine. People, whose team is better? My team. Let's run to our team, James.
Yeah.
So run from back to front.
All right.
And make sure you have Lewandowski in your team. Go on.
It's Harry Kane.
Let's go on.
Harry Kane is my pick. So so I have my Belgian pick, Thibaut Courtois. My Portuguese pick, João Cancelo, is the best right back in the world, best wing back in the world. You know, my Senegalese pick, Koulibaly. My Dutch pick, Virgil van Dijk. From Canada, Alphonso Davies. As my holding midfielder, Rodri. As my 8th, Joshua Kimmich from Germany. As my 10, Lionel Messi. You know, as on my left wing, Kylian Mbappe. On my right side of the field, not necessarily the right wing, but on the right side of the field, Neymar. And up top, Harry Kane. Alright,
people, my team, we have Alisson Becker in goal. We have João Cancelo. As one of the wing backs, we have Hakimi on the next wing. We have Laporte and Van Dijk as the centre back. Then as the CDM, we have Joshua Kimmich. You know, as our two attacking midfielders, we have Lionel Messi and Kevin De Bruyne. And as the forwards, the attackers, we have Kylian Mbappe on one wing, we have Sadio Mane on one wing, and then we have Harry Kane as a number 9. In that team, Harry Kane would probably finish with 11-12 goals in the World Cup. Yeah, bro. Would have beat every team by like at least 3 goals, bro. That would be the best team in the World Cup. But yeah.
You would be the second best team in the World Cup to mine.
No, I'm Med's emerging. Cause right now, you're literally team of forward.
No, I think I had Harry Kane first.
I had Harry Kane team of forward. Make it up for you. Lose your rock, paper, scissors.
Even so, had it been Lewandowski would have probably been better for my team than Harry Kane.
So pick him then.
Alright, so me take Lewandowski.
And me have Harry Kane and have Lewandowski, people. Whose team is better? And if you disagree with our team, let us know in the comment section.
Lewandowski more clinical than Harry Kane.
If you think so.
No, that's not.
Don't think so.
Harry Kane's a better. Don't get me wrong. Harry Kane's a better player. But what do you mean? The man has literally been more prolific over the last 4 years.
Yeah, but he's bro. If you're going on a debate here, you can't make simple takes like that.
It's not necessarily a simple take, but me believe Lewandowski is more clinical than Harry Kane.
That can't be a reason. You can't just say, oh, over the years, whatever. Him playing on a better team, him playing on an easier league, him get more chances. You can't just say, oh, blah blah blah. That's a simple take.
So what do you have to say that Harry Kane is more clinical.
Well, I mean, I have Harry Kane playing in the best league in the world, top scoring the best league in the world, always scoring 20 goals, best league in the world, having over 10 assists last year in the best league in the world.
When assists coming at this.
No, but
I'm not talking about who is a better player. Obviously, Harry Kane, so we're talking about who is more prolific. So how assists coming?
But if you're going to
argue like,
and if you
we're talking about prolific.
Alright, the ability where Kane have, right, versus the ability where Lewandowski have. Switch out Kane for Lewandowski, and what do you think will happen in that same Bayern Munich team? Because we can't match them up. They don't play in the same team. They don't play for similar teams.
I'm not 100% sure he'd score 40 goals.
I think
but I'm 100% sure that Bayern Munich could be a better team. But I'm not 100% sure he'd score.
Alright, and because you said that Bayern Munich would be a better team with Kane in there, Rush FC would be a better team with Kane instead.
Not necessarily.
Not
necessarily because that Bayern Munich team does not possess the likes of Messi to just put the ball on Lewandowski. That's all Lewandowski needs, somebody to put the ball in his
and that's all Kane need, bro. Imagine if Kane never
Kane is one of the most prolific players. I just do believe.
And one of the most clinical also.
I must say prolific, that clinical, same thing. I do believe that Lewandowski is just a tad bit more. Yeah, prolific is just the ability to score goals.
Score a lot of goals.
Yeah.
Not necessarily score goals, but score a lot of goals. But whatever.
That's what I say. So I believe that Lewandowski is just a tad bit more. Don't get me wrong, I think Harry Kane is the best forward in the world. And
why would you want this for? Alright, your team work better with Lewandowski.
Yeah.
My team work better with Kane. Imagine if Kane never have drop off in our midfield and contribute to creativity, and Kane could have just stand up at the box with that pure shot of his and just kick the ball into the goal.
Yeah, but I think Lewandowski is better at that than Kane.
No, I honestly don't think so, but I hear you. Yeah, we that people, you know, we have to debate a little bit, you know, if I make the video nice. You see it? No Rush team is better. I think I won this one.
I don't see
if you let us know.
I literally don't say how.
I want you guys to tell us your team in the comment
Solidarity.
section. Tell us your team in the comment section. Let us know who's better. For real people. Lewandowski or Harry Kane. Who is more clinical? Lewandowski or Harry Kane? Because I don't think it's better.
We talk about who is more prolific.
Bro, if properly Lewandowski, prolific means doing it at a greater level. Lewandowski score more goals, bro. So it's not even prolific. It's just who is more clinical. And if the people have a good stats, then probably have a good conversion. For me, for clinical. But anyways, people, more on the team. Tell us your teams in the comment section or the live chat. Is it? I feel like this is a nice one.
Yeah.
This is a good one. Really good one, people. I enjoyed it. Lots more World Cup content to come. Stay tuned. World Cup organized, my G. World Cup organized. People, don't forget to like this one. Leave a comment under the video and subscribe to this side at Sports TV. What else you want to do?
1 second. Now look at some statistics. Because you already know people. When I really take losers, so let's see.
But you lose already, dog.
Let's see. So man scored 76 goals for Poland.
Of course.
But just say. Anyways.
Of course.
So when he play for Poland and Kane play for England.
How much goals Kane have for England?
51. When he play for Poland and Kane play for England or whatever, they play in the same leagues. They literally exact same competitions. So we can't use the competition bias thing. Anyways, people, that's not the point. If each one of you guys can share the video to at least 10 people, but get us at least 6 subscribers. Do you know how many subscribers I get by the end of the day? And people, don't forget in the comment section, just please emphasize how, I'm not going to say much better, but how much better, you know, for lack of a better term, my team is than Rush's team. And we all know that if you put the 2 men in the box, who will kick the ball in the goal more times? It's going to be Lewandowski. Don't get me wrong, Harry Kane is a better player. Harry Kane is the best forward in my opinion. Harry Kane is one of my favorite players, in spite of the fact that he's a Spur. But I'm right, people. Anyways, this was This or That Sports TV.
I'm the best player in the world, the best forward in the world on my team, and this is This or That Sports TV. I hear him out say it, you know. I hear him out say the best forward.
Don't get me
wrong.
This
is the best forward, and me have him. You have the best. You do have the best forward in the world. Anyways,
best goal scorer in the world.
This was This or That Sports TV.
I know.
Yeah.